Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Masturbation Cream by the Boners collection. So let's get started. So this is the Masturbation Cream itself. Now this cream contains 100 milliliters. And this unique lubricant is specially made for masturbation and makes your solo session even more pleasant. The silicone-based cream feels silky smooth and lets your hands glide over your penis without any effort. So, to apply, simply open the cap like so and squeeze a small amount. It's a white cream. Close the cap completely so the liquid doesn't dry out. The cream feels silky soft and smooth on the skin. And apply a little cream to your hand and penis. And repeat this as often as you like. And that is the Masturbation Cream by the Boners collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.